first time we here.
Hoover Dam was created with this in mind.
What the hell? Hỏi cái quả chia, khi买就买多啊。
bây giờ tôi là tôi đã tưởng là mà hồi đó này nó kiện xe mà kiện tôi xe để cho là nó mà nó đá trứng mà nó tôi xe tôi rút tôi cho nó chơi một đi tôi cho nữa tôi cho nó to xe
Hai個買chứ tôi.
Cả chứ tôi sẽ được cho nó tôi không nó mà nhưng mà cho nó có nó xích kia nó quá nhẹ nhàng
Bởi nhà thì tôi to xích kia rồi á. Bởi nhà thì tôi
Hoover
nói.
Dam stands today as a civil engineering wonder of the world. Holding back what was once deemed the most dangerous river in the world, the mighty Colorado.
Want to say anything to Andy?
As you look around, this placid
I don't
body
know
of
what the
water
heck
doesn't
we
appear to be dangerous.
are, but
We are the Hoover Dam.
Building the dam
we're in the
from
Hoover
rock
Dam.
canyon, we backed up
Say anything to Jordan, Sammy, Johnny.
Hello.
That's it.
I'm bored.
Oh, you're done.
This was once the largest reservoir in the world.
No, doing rock killing.
Designed and built under the direction of Dr. Elwood Mead, who was Commissioner of the Bureau of Reclamation at that time.